it's just been it's been a really weird time, this COVID time. Sort of lockdowns and been really isolated for a long time now, and I guess it's strange as well because it seems like an ever-increasing amount of restlessness is there. I find it very difficult to be in this one place. I feel very stuck and trapped. It's almost like the feeling of like a caged bird.
Just getting out of bed is a struggle. When I feel heavy, I try keep it simple. Procrastination. Thinking of turning off the lights and staying in bed. No, better get moving. At least on this morning I do. It's like looking at a blurred window, but there is a light at the end of the tunnel. Movement. Skating. Journaling. Meditation. Sunrises. Exercise. We arrive at the light. Kids know it best. Be kind, respect the earth, be happy, breathe. I'll add, get outdoors, hike. Today was the biggest faff I think I've ever done before I've gone for a walk, and I just finished writing my assignment, and I just think the stress of that. I've been plotting. Man, this is the last few weeks of being indoors, and yeah, I do go outdoors as well, but it's just very different when you come out here and it's like The greens and the quiet. Unfortunately for me, my life is not just hiking. Other things take precedent, like cleaning, moving house.
Where is the line between dreaming and feeling blue? It's 4 o'clock in the evening, I haven't left my room. But the truth is, if I'm honest, I feel stuck here in the middle. Am I one of those crazy people? Should I stay here or should I let go? Pull the sheets over my head, hoping change is gonna find me. You don't have to remind me I'm doing nothing at all. I'm ruminating on a blank wall, but I feel stuck here in the middle. Am I one of those crazy people? Should I stay here or should I let go?
Other times, it's all around me. I leave society behind to a simpler existence. Silence, serenity, solitude. I transcend the limitations of the world. Limitless, I am free to dream.